What's up, guys? It's your boy NEPTUNE8 back at it again with another video. Now, this was a video that I thought I kind of wanted to make because a lot of people come into my streams pretty often and ask me about stuff like this, and I usually don't exactly know what to tell them offhand. So I'm gonna make this little video for a little reference so I can reference people and maybe tell people and help some people out. I'm recording this on normal OBS right now, and I was gonna show you about Streamlabs OBS, but quickly I'll just show you about normal OBS right quick. Here are my sources and shit. Input capture. I use mic and aux instead of like any of the input captures because these seem to fuck up sometimes. And then my settings. This is just my outputs and shit. My recording path, where it goes. Audio. Well, video. This is just my video. My scale resolution 720. My shit's always in 720. It just, I don't know, it runs better on my computer, my bitrate and shit. And then yeah. So that's that, but what I really want to show you guys is about Streamlabs OBS. So let's open that up right quick. Guys, here's, well, me. As you can see, I look a little fucking rough. It is Sunday. I'm not streaming today. My shit looks a little out of, oh, there's my Xbox too. It just shows it in the background. Quickly, something I usually have to do on this, I have to go into my Logitech right quick. It loads this up. I have to configure video. Just like, this is personal preference for me. If you like yours like this, as you see it's zoomed out, you're never usually able to see my PC when I stream. I always go configure video, and then this pops up, going to properties, camera control, and I just put my zoom all the way up. It doesn't zoom all the way up, but like I put my zoom all the way up so it zooms in. And then done, and then it's like that. This is my normal angle, like for my streams and shit, that I keep it at. It's actually not my normal angle because my monitor's moved a little bit, but you know, this is just usually how my shit is. I got on my screen, stream ending. Don't mind my fucking stinger. My stinger's fucking ass. Drip cam. This is supposed to be just my face cam, but I have it off because it's on this one. But let me get into the settings quick. Okay, you know, usually keep my shit on 60 FPS, all that, all my panels and shit, all my everything in here. I'm not really gonna talk about this much. What I will talk about is Elgato. If you have an Elgato built into your PC, then you add a, I don't even personally know what this is. It's just video capture device. You just add that over here. You go here, video capture device. This would be your Elgato audio capture device. Window capture if you're playing on fucking, like if you're playing an online game like on your computer, on your browser, use window capture. But display capture is mostly what you're gonna want to use if you're like streaming from your PC. Personally, I don't use that. Game capture works with also computer games. And then yeah, you got all your alert boxes and stuff. This is pretty self-explanatory. But let's get into the settings. I know a lot of you struggle with a bit of your fucking quality and shit. So let me speak on this a little bit. A stream, you got all your shit logged in. I don't have the, I unlinked these because that was fucking up. It was showing up. Go to my outputs. Now my bitrate is on 6,000. That's just what works for my PC. My PC has a built-in GPU. There's no actual GPU in it. There's no graphics card in this bitch. It's just integrated graphics. So my PC might run a little different than yours if you have a better PC than me, higher end PC than me, but this is just how mine runs. Mine runs pretty well. I do drop a bit of FPS whenever I like my alerts come on now. It's kind of weird. It didn't used to do that before when it was on like 1080, but it just does that now. It's a little weird. I don't know why. But anyway, like the output, simple output mode, bitrate 6,000. Remember, it's preference. Fuck around with it a little bit. Your hardware should always just be what's in your computer. Don't fuck with that. Your audio bitrate, once again, more of a preference thing. 320 and 6,000 for video and audio. That's like a decent ground for you to be on. Enable advanced encoder settings. Just have it on. Speed, recording path. That doesn't really matter, to be honest. Replay buffer. Maximum replay time 20 seconds. Mine's on 20. Replay buffer isn't like necessary, but I just have it on because just in case, you know. Audio, this is just my video shit. Oh, this is like, this isn't just like recording. This is what your shit will come out as when you're streaming. So my output is on 1280 720. It's just on 720. I could have mine on 1080, but I just don't want to like fuck my shit up. My base canvas, this is whatever your monitor is going to be, so it just looks good on your monitor. So mine obviously is going to be 1220 or not 1220, 1920 1080. I could have it on 1280 720, but I just simply don't. FPS values, you're going to want it on 60. If you can't have it on 60, probably drop it down to 5994. Anything lower than that, you're kind of bugging a little bit, your PC should be able to handle it. If you're on like a laptop or something, then you can kind of drop it to 30 and your shit will work right. Just make sure you got your output on 720, because 1080 and 30, it's gonna get like, if you're over Wi-Fi, your shit might spike a little bit, your FPS might drop, and if your FPS drops when you're on 30, it's just not gonna be great for anybody watching you. Common FPS values, obviously. Advanced settings, these are just my advanced settings. Isn't really much. Mine IV default, you know what I'm saying. Scene collections, this is just basically if you got somebody else to make shit for you, like you got a designer to make your shit for you and you want to put your shit in there, that's basically what you put in here. Your appearance, just I have day theme on because I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm dark as shit and I don't have actual like Elgato key lights in my shit, so I have my shit like that. But you can have your shit on night. Obsidian Prime, I've never actually seen these. Bastard Prime, yo, this is fire. This is fire. I might actually keep my shit on that. But I usually keep my shit on day, just because I like it like that. It's also brighter, helps me have better, like, you know, right here. Like, also, because usually my shit used to be like this, where it'd be purple. So, with the light mode, it keeps it lighter. Dark mode, you get that. You get that. So, if you ever wondering why my shit's always on light mode, if you've ever, like, watched my streams and I go into my shit and you see this, like this, what you're seeing right now, wonder why my shit's on light mode, that's why. Selection item, that's just that. Game overlay, you don't really need that. Face mask, yo, face mask, cool as fuck. You're gonna want that, I'm not gonna lie to you. Minimum bits, 500. Actually, I could probably turn mine down to about 100, but I'm not gonna do that. And that's just my normal shit. Now, this right here, you're seeing this. I gotta speak on this real quick. I have these, like, these are the ones that I got from Streamlabs, but this isn't actually, like, what I got. Like, this is all custom right here, what you're looking at, where you see my cursor is. This is all custom, and I just have it over the Beyond Esports Purple by VBI. So I just have it over that. It's not actually that. It's just like that. And then I usually also have my chat popped out so it looks like this, which makes it 10 times better for me. Wait for this to load a little bit. And then go live. You know, click go live, destination, let this load a little bit. Just edit my shit, boom, boom, boom. You know, just type in whatever. Oh, can't type. Can't type, it's lagging. You know, then confirm and go live, send out your tweet, because you always gonna want to send out a tweet when you go live, because it's fucking Twitter, boy, that's the access point. Also, in my mixer, I also once again use mic and aux. Desktop audio is only like for shit coming out, but my Elgato is what plays my Xbox noise. As you can hear that, you hear the little chime. I don't remember what this is. This is just some shit I don't need, but I really only use those two, and then desktop audio as needed if I want to play music. Also, if you're wondering, this is what I play music off of, my fucking iTunes right here. This is what the stream playlist is on. But also sometimes I'll go into Nightbot and do Song Quest, which I don't usually. I usually do that sometimes, but not regularly, because you know I'll be having to change this shit. Also, if you wonder why I don't like doing Song Quest all the time, it just no. That's why, because then we get shit like this. And that's just not it for your stream. So we just gotta skip over to Rico's story.
It's the speaker numbers. Rico got no money, he done lost his job. He ain't got no choice but to jug and rob. He fucked a bitch named Tisha, got one on the way.
Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that little Streamlabs kind of just rundown of what I personally use. I got my boy Fiber up here. What's good, homie? You ain't gonna see this, but that's my boy Fiber up there. You know, follow NEPTUNE8 on Twitch. Maybe drop one of these fuckers. Drop one of the subs. It's September. All renewing subs are what, 10-15% off? They're $3.99, bro. Just cop a renewing sub, bro. You won't regret it. To be honest, look, follow me on Twitch. Boom, right here. Can't follow myself. You already know me. NEPTUNE8. Boom, most used to stream. Look at this sexy ass nigga, bro. This sexy ass ring. Boom, come on here, panels. Oh, visit my merch store. Oh, don't mind if I fucking do. Boom, it's already up here. Look, NEPTUNE8.live/merch. I'm gonna throw some new stuff on the store after this. But look, guys, I really want you guys to fuck with this merch. I'm gonna throw some new stuff on here. I already got some fire on here. Everybody who's bought merch, let me know their shit's fire. They got it. It's fire. Did you drink any water today? Like, look at this. Did you drink any water today? Hell yeah. Got the bucket hats. We got the dad hats because those were highly recommended for some reason. We got the trident little symbol on the side. We got the trident beanies. We got the Neptune beanies that come in different colors. Trident beanies only come in black because they're kind of exclusive. Champion long sleeve. This is fire. I don't have it because some niggas decided to just come to my house and steal my shit. But we got the Neptune unisex hoodie with the logos in the back. The logo don't look like that when you get it, I promise. And then sport gray, we got red, we got light pink, and all these colors is fucking fire. We got the normal tees and we got the champion tees. We got the normal Neptune beanies and you got the stickers, bro. I'm gonna throw some more stuff on here. Obviously we got the new drawstring and the new face mask. Got that on here. The face mask, fire. I'm telling you, like, cop these. Everybody who's already got them, they already know they're fire. The drawstring bag, once again, fire. It wraps around too. I can't show it, but it does wrap around. You can kind of see it right here. Don't just cut off. And also, you know, you gotta follow a nigga on Twitter, bro. On Twitter, at NEPTUNE8. It's Neptune. There's me, sexy as fuck. I love you, Juice, because I love every single one of y'all that made it all the way through this video. Also, I appreciate you if you watched all the way through the video. Got the link tree right here. Look, this is why you'll never miss a fucking NEPTUNE8 stream. You follow, your follow button will be right here. Notifications, put them on. Get all notifications. Boom. Never miss a stream. Hey guys, it's me, your boy, NEPTUNE8. I love every single fucking one of you. Look, stay hydrated. I love y'all.
Something like that. What you love?